Did you get it?
I don't know.
You hit right in the vicinity.
I saw the dust.
Alright. 3, 2, 1. What do you see?
I have no idea where that.
Haji on the 50 cal.
Firing.
Just below it.
Woo!
Holy concussive.
Huh?
It's a little concussive.
Is it? I felt it in my feet. Three, two, one.
Oh!
High left. Wow. Were you right on it? High left.
Second dot?
First dot.
First dot.
First dot down. He was just on the crosshair just now.
So where were you at, Bender?
I was straight on the top crosshair.
He was low,
Okay.
so.
Oh man.